it came. It came after we made the bow. But this is what it looks like. It looks so good and so full. They said in like 3 hours it should fluff out more. And that you can trim. I see areas where it can be trimmed, but I'm not gonna trim it because I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna leave it like this. It's nice. We have a little frayed going on the bow, remember? So let's lend to the rustic, to the rustic vibe. So I'm about to put the bow on so you can still see the deer. We might hang the bow down here and then not put the KL on here. I might use the KL inside this year or something. I don't know. Because you can hardly see our peephole and we want to still be able to see. Safety first.
Hey y'all, so I'm finishing up with my skincare. I'm going in with my L'Oreal Collagen Moisturizer. And then I'll go in with my Black Girl Sunscreen. Today, Kim and I are running a couple of errands. We're about to go and look at some gifts, okay? And I'm not gonna say for who because I'm not sure if this person watches our vlogs or not, but either way, we just want to be careful because we don't want to ruin the surprise. But we're headed out to go to the mall today, and then we're gonna go to the Forum. It's a cute little like plaza out like further out like into, well, you know, I'm not exactly sure where it is. I just drive there. Not exactly sure where it is, but either way, if you ever need to know where a place is, or where the place is, just look it up, the Forum. And they have like Banana Republic, Pottery Barn. We also need to go and pick up our Pottery Barn order. We're not done with the decorations in our home. So we got this cute little tree. Let me go ahead and put this on. So we got this cute little tree. It's for the table in the living room, and so we are I think almost done, or no, we're done when we get that particular piece. Like that's the finishing piece for our decorations. And so we got that, and we're gonna go and pick it up today. And of course we'll set it up and just finish with everything like just placement wise, because again, that may be the last thing that we get. But yeah, so we'll be done placement wise, and then of course we'll show y'all. But yeah, we're almost done. And so far, everything looks really good. Loving how just like dainty, cute, and minimal everything is. You don't have to necessarily like do all the extra things, you know, Christmas tree. If you want to do Christmas tree, then cool. If you don't have time, but you still want to do a little bit of decorating, you can do what we're doing. Okay, so again, I'm going in with my Black Girl sunscreen. Y'all know I said that I would get the Lancome again, and Lancome, they sent me that one that I've been using, and which, you know, it's cool. I appreciate it so much. Actually, I love that one. But now that I'm back using Black Girl, it's like, it's just something about it. It's just really, it's really doing something for me. I love the jojoba oil in it as well, and I just love how my skin looks with it. So yeah, not sure if I'm gonna go and get the Lancome again, but I'm just not sure. But yeah, for sure sticking with Black Girl because they are bomb. Then next I'm going in with my lip oil by NYX. It's the fat oil. Okay, so I'm done with that. About to put a couple of curls in my hair and then we're out.
On our way to the forum. It's in Johns Creek, and so we're going to Pottery Barn. We excuse me, decided to go ahead and stop here at the mall to eat and look at the fragrances. We were shopping for a fragrance for a man and we were while we were in there, the woman was helping us, and the fragrance we smelled two fragrances. We went in to smell Polo fragrances because I've been getting a lot of emails about promoting the Polo fragrances from one of the influencer platforms, and so I was curious. I was like, this must be something that's popular or something, because I'm getting tons of emails for it, and so I wanted to smell it. So we went in, we smelled the red one, and we smelled Established in 67. And so the woman, when we smelled the red one, we were like, oh yeah, that smells like him. And then though Established in 67, it was really youthful to us, like, or not youthful, but just younger than the man that we were shopping for. And I was like, ooh, no, I'll save that, put a pin in that for my husband. And so she was, we were wrapping up, and she was like, do you want to get something for your husband? I was like, oh, I don't have one yet. And then she was like, your boyfriend? And she's like, I thought you were like saying, I was like, no, I said I was going to put a pin in that. And then she was like, oh, you manifest. And I said, no, I don't manifest. I said, no, not manifesting. I said, I'm praying to the Lord for this, because we don't manifest around here. We don't play those games. The Lord manifests. We receive, we praise the Lord, and we thank him for what he does.